Welcome to GradProSkills online registration tutorial. The objective of this video is to help you to do online registration to GradProSkills workshops. The first step is to visit GradProSkills webpage. Once on our webpage, search for workshops, upcoming workshops. Here, we will find a list of all the workshops that will be offered during the term. Let's choose a workshop to register for. Let's take GPLL 466, Funding Opportunities for Grad Students in a Research Program. Click on top of it. Here you'll find a brief description of the workshop, learning objectives, and workshop leaders information. But the most important information is about availability to the workshop. Check on the right-hand corner, you have Register Now on blue. If that is the case, it means we have places available for this workshop. Press Register Now. You'll be directed to My Concordia portal, where you're going to use your net name and password to log in. Once inside My Concordia portal, click on My Student Center, My Student Center again, and you're going to be directed to a new page. Once on this page, look for Enroll and click on it. On this page, look for non-credit courses. In terms of career, you're looking for professional development. Have in mind, all GradProSkills workshops are within the professional development category. And the term is going to be the term you're enrolling for. Click and continue. On this page, the important part is find the classes. Hit search. On this page, you need to select the course career, professional development. Now, you need to know the code and the number for your workshop. If you do not remember, go back to workshop details and you find it. In our case, it's GPLL 466 that corresponds to funding opportunities for graduate students in a research program. Important information to note is GPLL 466. Go back to the registration page on My Concordia portal. Select the subject. You're going to type GPLL and course number 466. Scroll down and hit search. Here you will find the workshop selected, GPLL 466, Funding Opportunities for Graduate Students in a Research Program. Just below, we are going to find a button, Select a Class. Hit. On this page, you will find GPLL 466 workshop is already selected. Scroll down. Press Next. Here, the most important information is to check your workshop is in your course card. You have to check the information GPLL 466 has been added to your course card. Double check your course card here. GPLL 466 is here. Scroll down. Hit Continue. You're not done yet. Here, press Finish Enrolling. On this page, look for the success word on a green bar. This means you registered to GPLL 466 successfully. Congratulations! If you wish to add another course, press Add Another Class and start the process again. There are some important steps to note about GradProSkills online registration that I'd like to bring to your attention. Confirm that the workshop was not left in your course card. Link to Zoom meetings will be sent 2 days before the workshop starting date. Your email registered in the My Concordia portal will be notified with your Zoom link. Ensure GradProSkills at concordia.ca or GradProSkills-registration at concordia.ca emails are in your safe contacts. Check your junk or spam folders for our notification on Zoom link. If the workshop is fully subscribed, then you can register to a waiting list. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact GradProSkills team members. To do that, visit About GradProSkills, contact us. Here, you will find our email, our phone number and extension. If you are a student, please include your student number in all correspondence. There is another effective way to contact our team members. Go to Book a Meeting. Here you have the opportunity to book a meeting to talk to our team members through Zoom. Click View our booking calendar. Here you will find the dates and the time available for you to talk to our team members. GradProSkills wishes you a great term.